here's number 3 on the Similar Figures and Circles review, part 1. Louise has a television in her family room that is 3 feet wide and 5 feet long. She has a television that is similar in shape in her bedroom that is 1.5 feet long. So I'm going to highlight things that are important. What's the perimeter of the television in the room? So first off, they're talking about these basic rectangular shapes, but yet there's no picture. So I want to go ahead and draw just a simple picture of what the TVs might look like. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's going to help me look at numbers. It says 3 feet wide and 5 feet long. I'll put 5 here, I'll put 3 there. And the one in a room is 1.5 feet long. So length is sitting right here. We'll put 1.5 there. So I want to know that side length. This is going to help me find corresponding sides. Obviously, in a rectangle, you have a short side, and it corresponds with the other short side. And you also have a long side, and that corresponds with the other long side, or that one that's 1.5. Both sides are going to be 1.5. Can set up a proportion. Let's go ahead and do large rectangle as one of my ratios, and we'll do small rectangle or TV as the other ratio. Then I'm going to color code either long or short, or I can even do like pink, because I've color coded in pink, and I've also color coded in green. Now obviously if you've used different colors, then these would have to be different labels. So large pink. Large pink is 5. How about large green? Large green is 3. Both of these numbers came from the large shape, and we've corresponded with these. So small pink is 1.5, and small green, unknown. I can easily see a shortcut or scale factor. Actually, no, I actually don't see a scale factor, because 5 times 1.5 is not easy, and neither is 1.5 to 5. So let's go ahead and just cross multiply. That means 1.5 times 3. 1.5 doubled would be 3. So then one more would be 4.5, 4.5. And then I have 5 times x. That's just 5x. At this point, I would isolate my variable by dividing by 5. And for this, I know that 5 goes into 45 9 times. But to be careful about that and figure out where my decimal belongs, I'll go ahead and show you. Bring your decimal out. 5 into 4 is 0. 5 into 45 is 9. So my answer is 0.9. Which looks like it might be the right answer choice. But as soon as you've done some work, you need to go back to the question and see, is it really that I only have to do that amount of work? This one says, what is the perimeter? So this is not the perimeter, even though of course they'll have an answer choice. That tells me that this is 1.5, that's 1.5, and then this side is 0.9. So if I've doubled these side lengths, because I have 2 of them, 0.9 plus 0.9 is 1.8, and then 1.5 and 1.5, that's like having $1.50 and $1.50. That gives me $3. Yes, I have to line up decimals. Bring that down. 4.8 is my perimeter.